Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I'll show you how to change Microsoft Outlook view. If your Outlook view has been changed somehow and you feel uncomfortable using it and you want to change it to your default, let's see how to do that. Or go to your Microsoft Outlook. From the top, you can see there are some options: Home, Send, Receive, Folder and View. Click on View. Now on the top left, you can see Change View option. Click there. From here, you can change the view of your Microsoft Outlook. Select the one you want to use. You can also click Manage View and add new view. Also, you can modify the default view. That's all. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.